The best cash-paying game apps don't force you to install only 1 or 2 games before your earning opportunities stop. They regularly add new titles, so you can keep discovering games instead of running out of options after your first week. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 apps that continue offering new game opportunities without locking you behind a fixed download limit. First is Mistplane. Available on Android, Mistplay rewards users for discovering and playing supported mobile games. Its game library changes over time, with new titles replacing older ones as developers join or leave the platform. Checking the app regularly helps you find newly added games that match your interests. Next is Cash Giraffe. This app pays users for installing and playing featured games from its catalog. Rather than limiting you to a certain number of downloads, it refreshes available offers as campaigns change. If you've completed the available games, checking back later often reveals new opportunities. Third is InFreeCash. Although it's known for offer walls, FreeCash also includes many mobile game offers from different advertising partners. Since multiple offer providers are available, the selection changes frequently. Comparing offers before installing a game helps you choose the ones with the best rewards. The fourth option is Scrambly. Scrambly gives users access to game offers, app installations, and other rewarded tasks. As new promotional campaigns launch, fresh games become available inside the app. Completing one offer doesn't prevent you from trying others that appear later. Finally, there's TesterUp. TesterUp rewards users for testing apps and playing supported mobile games. The available tasks depend on active campaigns, so new opportunities are added over time instead of being permanently capped after a certain number of downloads. One thing to remember is that no download limit doesn't mean every game pays forever. Each individual offer has its own completion requirements and may expire once enough users finish it. The advantage is that the overall catalog keeps changing, giving active users more chances to earn. To sum it up, Mistplay, Cash Giraffe, FreeCash, Scrambly, and TesterUp all refresh their available game offers instead of restricting users to a permanently fixed number of downloads. Choose one platform, complete the highest value game offers first, and check back regularly because new campaigns appear throughout the year. If this list helped you find your next earning app, like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews of games and apps that pay real cash.